I'm taking a chance, making it happen or fall with the rest. I hear the reviews, I listen to them say they're fully impressed. Making more money, my happiness less. Took what I love and I put to the test. Everyone saying that they're the one next. I wanna be better than best, I never regret. I never forget anything I've ever done. I'm playing my story from start till I finish. I'm taking this game for a run. I'm checking my funds, I'm thinking the low. I just stay working my lyrical flow. One day I'll pay off, they'll pay me to go and travel the world, straight killing these shows. Yeah, leave me alone. Feeling like my time is always gone. They coming back from work, it's back to working when I'm home. Don't text my phone, I'm in my zone. I play the beat, my mind will roam. It's all just running through my head like in the morning when you comb. Cause heart turns into all the music I make. Good things come from negatives, things change. Real love trying to stop it, taking action, y'all just keep on tacking. Yeah, you know I'll never give up. I know where that is, trust. When they get so greedy, you can fill up on all the people loving you, but it still won't heal the ones that keep fucking cutting you.
Time slows down for no one. This life isn't for everyone. I want to be someone to stand my ground till my feet touch. The love I traded
Been looking for love, but I don't know if it's the time. I'm focused so much on just making this music. I should be enjoying the ride, no need to remind. I'm stressing inside, I hide it so other, there's never a sign. Can't think of the words, can never define. I put on a smile and tell you I'm fine, and that's the truth. And everything that I've been hiding, I let it all out when I step in the booth. You cope with your problems with drugs or addiction, but rappers what I go and choose. Never gonna fill my shoes if you go fill that booze. How will you succeed if you hold yourself back every time your luck gives you a bruise? So I move on, wanna get better with every move on. I'm never looking back, spend up all night. I make it look so easy. Secrets of my pictures, yeah, I'm on it every day now. Never even had the time to lay down. It's life ain't what it seems. Running through the crickets, trying to get to somewhere green. It's all a part of chasing what you dream. Oh yeah, yeah.
Hey there guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you guys did enjoy, please be sure to smash the like button, helps me out a lot, and subscribe to the channel so that you guys can follow along on my Subaru WRX here. It's a 2013, just got it, super pumped. I traded in my lease actually and got out of that, so wanted something sportier, stick shift, sounds good, pretty quick. And fun car to add to the channel, and I'm going to be doing a lot of cool stuff, like some more cinematic videography like I did in this video, so you guys will be seeing that, and I think that came out pretty cool. Another thing I want to say, guys, is that I'm also going to be revealing another new car to the channel. So we're going to have the Mitsubishi Eclipse, the 2013 WRX here. I got my 85 Corvette that we're going to be working on here in the future too, especially with the summer coming along. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos, a lot more vlogs, trying to grow the channel, trying to do some cool stuff for you guys, so be sure to subscribe. And then we're also going to be revealing a new car that's fast, sounds good, everybody loves them, and it's a 2019. So those are all the hints that I'm going to give you guys. Some of my buddies already know, they've already seen it and driven around in it and stuff, but for YouTube, you guys should be super hyped for it, and that'll be in the very next video. And then we'll also be doing a couple races, some more work on cars, modifying. I got a few plans for this, and I'll do a video talking all about that. But for now, guys, like I said, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.